Okay, I may cuss, but I don't curse. Let's get that situated first. Cancers, back with a reading for y'all today. I feel like all of these readings that I'm doing so far today are connected. I'm only doing Taurus, Cancer, Pisces, and Collective. At this point, moving on. Publicly, for free anyway, for charity. The rest of the signs will be behind the paywall for membership. I don't know why I had to say that. Maybe because Cancer is a money sign. I don't know. But I just had to say that on y'all reading. Excuse me if I dampened this reading a little bit, Cancers. But let's get to it, right? I got the cards out here already. And don't worry, I won't bamboozle you. These are the cards that I've shuffled and drawn. We have the Prince of Pentacles, followed by the Princess of Cups, followed by the High Priestess. Now, there is something distinctly different about this Cancer reading. It actually goes more into the Piscean energy than the Pisces reads it. And I say that because there needs to be a focus on oneself. This is about you finding yourself. And it's not that you don't even know who you are. It's not that. It's that you work hard for other people. I'm going to just keep it a beam with you. You've been working hard for other people, which makes you come across as not ambitious. I'm just keeping it a beam because it doesn't come out for yourself. You understand what I'm saying? So this is the time. I'm not saying that you were right or wrong. Everything that I just said brought you to this time and this place right now. You see the way that the Prince of Pentacles is holding that pentacle is like, I finally discovered this is what this is for. It's for me. So I would advise for you to look at what you've done for other people so wholeheartedly and so wholeheartedly to take that as it was training. It was practice ground to now pump into yourself. Pause, that's crazy words. To now utilize for yourself. You understand what I'm saying? And do that thing for yourself. Take care of yourself. You're very capable of taking care of yourself. Put it all back on self now. Trust me, because this Princess of Cups out here, you know this. So it's not like this Prince of Pentacles is something that you didn't know, that you didn't sense already. This Princess of Cups is the attitude that you're in right now. Very much of a dreamer. Romantic. You can have eyes for someone right now, but you're not stupid either. What I mean by that is not saying that the person you're interested in is a dick or whatever the case may be. It's just, you're more grounded. You're using more practicality when it comes to the dreams that you hold, the dreams that you possess. And it's okay. And as a matter of fact, it's more important to be that way because of the Prince of Pentacles being out here. It's because you must guard yourself, nurture yourself, take care of self so that you can be appreciated at least at the level that you appreciate yourself. You understand? Because when some people see that you give more to them than you give to yourself, they look at that as a type of in. You understand? To where takers keep on taking until you tell them you got a boundary, right? Or until at least you just show them like how much you do for yourself. They get the picture. Trust me, they get the picture. Now the High Priestess is out here. This is what I said makes this Cancer reading more unique than anything in every other reading that I've done thus far, is because this High Priestess is out here to mean business right now. It does not mean that it's going to be a cakewalk for what you're facing or what you're about to face, but it also doesn't mean that it's not going to be amazing and beautiful as well. But there is a bit of stepping into the unknown at this present time that you may find uncomfortable because you're in this space of taking care of you and focusing on you. And but on the flip side of that, being more present within oneself and not being a dreamer to the totality of Piscean energy, you have a better chance at being guided by the High Priestess, which is Piscean energy, intuitively. You're able to go within better because of that. And this High Priestess card out here is polarizing, meaning, you will experience some instances where you tell yourself and you just come to terms with like, you know what, God is merciful. The universe is merciful. Like, something could have happened and it didn't happen, or something you expected to happen didn't happen to you, and you're like, yo, That mercy thing is real. Like, and it's unspoken too. It's just like, but you don't got to tell nobody either. You don't have to, because you might just blow the spot. Like, you could keep it to yourself. We could get in the comments. It's up to you. But this is how the high priestess operates. You know what I'm saying? It's some secret mysteries that go on. However, at the same time, don't think that you're free of severity, meaning that you have to intuitively or instinctively bust a move right now amidst the chaos. I would even advise to look forward to that, because it's going to sharpen you. It's going to prepare you to navigate through chaos. Pisces energy is chaos. The North Node is in Pisces right now. So this could make you really come alive. This could make you embrace the unknown. This could make you even feel like you're in a movie. I don't know. Just had to put that out there. Like you're in a movie or some sort. I don't know. You're a spy or something. But yeah, that's all I got for y'all. Until next time, Kansas, I'm out.